Hello everyone, so what we're doing today, the bike is ready, so the plan is to go to the ride the first time with the bike. It's November, 11th of November, and it's outside 3 degrees Celsius, so should be a fun ride. Alright guys, the ride is done. 2-3 degrees, I don't know. First time I was so cold. My fingers was freezing. I couldn't press the clutch, but the exhaust is really good. I hope you can see in the video the sound, hear the sound, but the exhaust is really good. So yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. This ride was for you because I don't know, this first time when I was riding in the 2-3 degrees. So yes, thank you, and see you in the next video.